Okay, let me start display. When the packaging is array, they flash 3 times to Q1. Uh, start. When the start push, it's gonna flash 5 times. Just put 5 seconds. Now cycle start. It's gonna be 5 cycle start. It stop the sequence. So that is right there program. So it's fine. Yep. When it's 5 times, 2 second flash both Q1 and Q2. Uh, start again. When I start, it's gonna flash 5 times. Going there. Q1. That's counter one. That's flashing for that. I put a 5. Just see 5 times. Uh, going down. This is a lash and an unlash. And, the counter 2. That's with a Q1. Lump 1. Lump 2. Lump 1. And this is for the bottom one. That is for the extend. That 2 second delay for the slide cylinder. Start. Flash 5 times. The sequence is start. The sequence is start. When the sequence starts, it's 2 second delay time for that cylinder. When it's 2 second finish, then extend and then shoot. Right there. And I reset when if I press a stop, I reset all these on latch and I reset the all counter timer and the latch for that position. This is a latch position is that 0, so it should be done anytime when I start. 5 times sequence stop. When I press the stop button, it should unlatch right away. You see unlatch. This is a latch and now this is unlatch. So it should gonna go back down all cylinder. And, so that's the whole cycle counter. The 5 cycle stop the whole program sequence. Counter down. I put the timer for the flashing for uh, both Q1 and Q2, lamp 1 and lamp 2. And now I have a relay. That's a sealed circuit, the start sealed circuit. So the relay is now making, let me stop the program. I want to reset that T5 timer 5 and reset the counter 3. So I have the same thing. I have a up there, right there. Wherever the counter 3 is done, reset the counter 2. And I have right there, when I press the start, every time when I press the start, we send the counter 1, because the counter 1 always stays on, but I don't want to reset before after I press that start button to reset, because that counter I'm using for only for flash. It's not using anywhere else. So every time when they see a rated package, it's gonna flash the return for Q1. So unlatching, I use a NOT gate